Hello everyone, welcome back to the Joe Lifestyle. And today, instead of cooking some food, I'm going to show you how I assemble a shelving unit. And we bought this shelving unit from Wayfair for about $500, just under $500. This is our den slash office and it's really quite barren. So we decided to get ourselves a decent looking shelving unit and we'll just start unpacking right now. Well, there's a nice wood smell coming from this box. It must be true, it is made out of real wood.
Where the heck is the rest of it? Oh my.
We've unpacked the box and you can see the shelves behind me. It actually looks pretty good. It's made out of real wood and there's a nice fragrant wood smell coming from them. But unfortunately, the shelves were the only thing in the box. We're missing the hardware and we're missing the structural components to the shelving unit. It's really quite disappointing. You know, it's a bit like opening up a present and you want to just get at it, but you can't because you're missing pieces and we can't assemble the whole thing. The only thing we have right now are the shelves and all we can do is just look at them. So we've emailed Wayfair and asked them what's up and we'll wait to see what they have to say. So 2 days after we received the shelves, we have now finally received the remaining components of the shelving unit. I'm not really sure why they wouldn't send everything at once, but it's a minor inconvenience, I guess. If you don't care about that sort of thing, then you're good to go. I have unpacked everything and it comes with 2 iron left and right frames, 4 wood shelves, and an X stretcher that attaches onto the back of the bookshelf, and handy dandy instructions. If you're anything like me, you put absolute faith into the instructions the thing comes with. And of course it comes with a bunch of hardware, screws and bolts that I will get to right now. All right, well, I have to say, that was relatively very easy to assemble. I've bought cheaper things that were just an absolute headache to assemble. But this is a piece of cake. So I just have to go around and tighten all the bolts. All right, it's the moment of truth. Well, I have to say that was a positive experience. For the actual product, I give 4.5 out of 5 stars. As I said, we paid just under $500 for it, and you can see that there's a great deal of shelf space. The shelves are about just over a foot deep, so it has the potential to hold many items, and it was easy to assemble. It came with its own Allen key, and that's all you really need. It also comes with a way to mount the entire unit to the wall in case you have young ones or anyone or anything else that might come along and potentially tip the shelving unit over, but I'll forego that for now. And we just need to put some stuff on here to at least help reduce the amount of echo in this room. So Jasmeet quickly decorated the shelving unit for the sake of the video. And she bought these neat little baskets. I mean, it wouldn't occur to me to buy baskets just to put them on a shelf, but then again, she's got the aesthetic taste and I do not. As you can see, this shelving unit really does add some character to the room. It no longer seems so sterile in here. And if you yourself are interested in something like this, I've posted the Wayfair link in the description box below. So thanks for watching. Really hope you liked it. Remember to hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. We'll see you in the next one.